In this video, we are going to use the percent proportion for example 2. It looks very similar to example 1, but there is one slight difference. And if you use the trick that I showed you in the last video, this should be pretty easy. So I see 70 is 40% of what number? When I see percents and I see other numbers, you can always use a percent proportion. So I write it to get myself used to it. I could say P, remember that is the part or the percentage. B is the base or the whole, equals R, which is the percent, over 100. So all we have to do is decide which one of those three variables we are solving for and fill in what we know. Well, you notice right away, or you should, that they give you the percent. So make your blank proportion. The percent is going to be 40. We keep the 100. Now we have to decide if we're solving for either P or B. Well, remember the trick. The trick I told you is to look in the word problem. Think of the word is when you're thinking of the part. Think of the word of when you're thinking of the whole. And look in the problem. You see the word is, and you see the word of. Well, which one's the one you don't know? Well, look, it says 70 is. So 70 is the part. So 70 is the part. And look, next to of, we have what number? That means we don't know it. So we can keep it as the variable, and that's what we are going to solve for. So we cross-multiply the means times the extremes, or we set the product of the means equal to the product of the extremes. We get 40b equals 7,000. Okay? And then we divide both sides by 40. And I'll let you try to calculate that. I think you can do it. Have you done it yet? Not sure? Well, if you did it, remember the coefficient of b is now 1, and the answer is 175. So that means the whole is 175. That is a solution. So what you could restate the answer as is that 70 is 40% of 175. So that's the second type of example, where you have the part, but you do not have the whole value. In the next video, you're going to see something using the percent proportion that's only slightly different. Use the same proportion, but the unknown value is different.